Hello everyone. Today is Mother's Day. I hope all the mothers have a great holiday today. And if you want to learn how to say Happy Mother's Day in Chinese, which is 母亲节快乐, you can refer to our previous episode 165 to learn it. Alright, in today's episode, we will learn how to say I will love you this life, next life, and all my lifetimes in Chinese, which is 这一世、下一世、生生世世都只爱你. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here is my solution. Imagine that it's on your wedding day, and you look at your bride, a Chinese girl, and you say to your bride, I will love you this life, next life, and all my lifetimes. In Chinese, you say to her, 这一生、下一生、生生世世都只爱你。这一生、下一生、生生世世都只爱你。The English words at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. From left to right, it is 这一生、下一生、生生世世都只爱你。Here, 这 which means this. 一生 it means lifetime. 下 it means next. 下一生 it means next lifetime. And 生生世世 in English it means all lifetimes, which means it includes your past lifetime, your current lifetime, and your next lifetime, right? 都只爱你 in English it means only love you, or love you exclusively, only just love you. So literally it means I will love you this lifetime, next lifetime, and all my lifetimes, only just love you. And hope you have a great one, and hope you can use this sentence to your soulmate one day. Thank you.